don't run off just yet. If you like this video and want to see something else like it, check out the video in the card at the top of the screen. I don't always do short videos like this, and I work on a huge range of projects, so definitely take a peek at my channel to check out the other things I'm up to. And if you want to support the channel, I've got a Patreon as well. Huge thanks to those supporters. They're definitely the best. Okay, gotta get back to making stuff.